Hey guys, welcome back, Team Creative. Today we are doing something a little different. Of course, this is the month of love. We are in February and we are celebrating Valentine's Day. So guys, today I'm doing something a little different. I went shopping and bought a few things. I went to what you see now is one of my local dollar stores and just grabbed some items to share love for people that I care about. I also went to my local Aldi's and picked up some things. But today this video is going to be about just two quick and simple gift ideas that you can do at home with things at home to show your significant other or anyone that you care about, or you can just pamper yourself to just say, I deserve it, or to show that significant other that you love them. So I'm going to give you two quick and simple gift ideas and show you how you can put some things together. And then I'm also going to give you at the end, if you've forgotten to go shopping and you need to grab some things, Amazon has some awesome gifts, guys. That can be brought in very quickly with Amazon Prime. So I've shared both men and women's gift ideas. So you'll be able to pick up that special gift for your sweetheart if you have a significant other or a child that you want to grab something for. These items would also be great. So, this is the time to love, guys. Last year was a rough year. We're still fighting a pandemic. So be sure to just say, I love you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is the first idea, guys. So I'm just going to let you guys listen to some nice calming music and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so let's just go over some things. This is a Apple Watch band, and the things that we're going to review today are just some nice, quick and simple items that you can give to that special person in your life to just say I love you, or to just say I'm thinking of you. This one is an Apple Watch band. It's running at $19.99, of course. It comes in a variety of colors, as you can see. So I think this is something that is nice that we could use as a gift idea. The next one is another style of an Apple Watch band, something not quite as dressy. It's the leather strap here, can be used for work. It also comes in a variety of colors, as you can see. I think it could be universal. In some, this leopard print, if you see this is actually, I think, more for ladies, but this is very, very nice. It runs around $10.19. So that's something you can do, and I think it is eligible if you are a Prime member for quick delivery. This I thought was cute. This is just a little keychain. I think this will be more for ladies, but you know, some guys may tote it. It says you're my favorite a-hole. I think this is so cute. Just a little quick and simple something that you can give. It's marked for a man's gift. So you know, if you have a sweetie that has a sense of humor, that will be nice. The next thing here is a set of grooming clippers that's rechargeable. Every man needs just a set of nice clippers. The Wall is of course, reliable brand that most men like. It's very reasonable in price. It's $22.99. As you can see, it comes with several exchangeable guards, and it has the little case here. So I thought this was nice for a male's gift. The next thing is this fishing rod holder. Now this I actually have purchased, guys, and it works amazing. Holds the tackle box, has the shelving here for multiple tackle boxes, and you can do the organization for your boo. It's just showing here because I've changed my address so that my address is not actually showing. So I've got in this weird address, but this is deliverable, guys. My husband has it. It holds 14 fishing rods, and it is amazing to put in like a garage or the corner of a front entry if your significant other likes fishing. There is another style here that I think is really, really cute that a lot of men love, and that's like the bass print on the outside there. So that is nice. If you guys like gaming, if your significant other likes gaming, here's a dartboard that you could give them. $25.99, has great reviews. So I thought this would be something that is also nice for a guy to receive. And then guys, you know, ladies, we always love a good pair of socks, but men also love to be cozy too, although they don't always say it. I thought these were cute. They say, I'm gaming, do not disturb. So those were cute, very reasonable. They're eligible for Amazon Prime. They've been ordered by several people, so I think they would work very well as a little gift, or if you're gonna do like a treat bag and stuff those in, perfect. The next item is a hat here, guys, and this hat is amazing. I think I'm actually gonna order this one for my husband. He does a lot of outside work, does a lot of lawn maintenance. It comes with a LED light in the cap that can be removed and recharged. It seems to have the features to shine the light. So if you can see here on this picture, this guy's actually working on a car, which I thought is actually a really good thing. They're not having to try to hold a light in their hand and actually do work. So I think this is pretty neat for $9.99. So I am gonna grab my husband one of these. The reviews seem to be very great on it. So I think this would work well. And there it is with the recharging, kind of like into a USB port. Also, if you see, it could be put into the side of a laptop there for charging. So I think that's really neat. The next thing is here is like a little tool kit, a survival kit. So if you have a significant other that goes fishing, that likes to hunt, and they need something just to be able to do the things they need to do as they're out in the wilderness and they're hunting or fishing, if they're gonna camp and grill and they need those tools, this is a great little set, and it's $38.99. So something reasonable, but it does say I love you, so I think that is cute. The next thing, we are going to jump into the ladies here. So I started with a little mug here. And it says, "You're awesome. Keep that shit up." I thought this was so cute. Ladies, if you have an office, fellas, if your lady has an office and you want to give her something cute to use at home in a home office, I think it's really cute to just let her know whatever she's doing and the work she's putting in daily, you're actually proud of. So I think this is cute, guys. So if you're looking for something reasonable, it's $17.99, but if your lady is like me, I love a cute coffee mug. So the next thing for our ladies is, again, the Apple Watch band. This is so cute, guys. $12.99. Awesome gift idea for a lady. This is showing it here on a guy. When I search, this shows it's for a woman. But if you look at it's kind of versatile, I think, depending on the color that you choose. But I think this is really, really cute. Has a lot of different color options: pink, silvers, rose gold. So that's something, guys, that's really reasonable for your lady friend or your significant other. The other thing is a pair of nice, warm, and fuzzy slippers. Every lady likes a nice set of bedroom shoes. So these come in a variety of colors. The leopard print is in now, guys, and so this would be something really cute for your lady friend. And then they have the nice classic white if she has a nice white robe, or you can always grab a robe to go with that. And so we're gonna move on to the next item here, which is a Echo Dot. Now I have a Google Mini in my office and an Echo Dot in another part of my home, but I love my my Google Mini. So I think this will be a great gift idea. It comes in a variety of colors. She can put it in the bathroom when she's doing her makeup or her hair. She can put it in her office. It has awesome features. You see the pause button there, the sound adjustment, fellows. So, this could be versatile for a woman or a man. But, guys, if you're looking for something that you think would be a sure hit, then I think that is definitely something that you should look into. All right, so we are going to go on down. The next thing is a large water bottle. This is a 1 gallon motivational water bottle. I'm going to click on that and open it for you. So this just shows you it has different motivational quotes that you can select. Depending on what you think your significant other would like. It has a little handle. She can take it to the gym. It actually shows where she is, and it has little reminders. So this is a very cute water bottle, $24.99. It has had several purchases and has done well with reviews and seems to be very sturdy. You can also get it on Amazon Prime, so it will ship fast. The next thing, guys, is this Mon Paris perfume. It comes in a variety of sizes: 1.6 fluid ounce, 3 ounce. All ladies like perfume. This is a very clean and simple fragrance. Has a nice, fresh and airy smell, not too florally. So, it's not too heavy. Can be worn at work, can be worn out at night. Depending upon the size, of course, the price changes, but it's pretty reasonable. And then for a cheaper fragrance, if you want something that's a little more cost effective, this Coach is a very nice, simple, clean and airy fragrance. Can be put in a bag with some chocolates, used to, just do like a little gift bag. It actually smells awesome. I have this fragrance as well, very clean, very sensual smelling fragrance, and it has several reviews. So this is not a bad price for this fragrance. I think I picked mine up in a local TJ Maxx, and I paid about $35-40 for it. Also, all women love a good pair of Footies as well. And I actually found a few different quotes here. This is cute. If you can read this, bring me coffee. So I think there are options with these if you want to search, but here's another pair. And I'm just going to show you those so you can see the difference. If you can read this, bring me wine. So whatever you feel like that special person would like as a preference, in whatever saying they want, there are several options. And then guys, here is a little teddy bear. If you have a daughter or that you're looking for, or you want to style the bedroom and leave your significant other a surprise, such as a necklace or a bracelet, and you're trying to figure out how you're going to present it, you could put this or put it around a bear. You don't always have to do a gift box. So this is a cute idea. It's $23.99, very reasonable, ships Amazon Prime, so you can get it in a short amount of time. So I just thought the teddy bear put together as a set of roses was something that's very, very cute. I love roses sitting around, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. There's another arrangement here. A lot of ladies use these to display them on a coffee table, on an entryway foyer table. And we keep these year round, and they are very, very cute. Even the black and gold fellas is very, very elegant. So your lady friends may like these, but they have to be into flowers and they have to be into this type of display, because it is a little expensive, but they are very presentable, and it's something they can keep forever. So it's not like it's roses that are going to, and the reviews seem to be pretty good. It's not like it's roses that are going to die in a week. So it's something that they can keep. And then the last thing we're going to look at is this little water bottle. If your person or your love of your life is someone who likes to drink a lot of water, they like fruit infused water, they like to make their own different fat burners with water. Some people use lime, some people, there are several different concoctions that you can make that women use as cleanse, that we use as fat burners. This bottle has a flip top. It has the infuser in the middle so they can do what they need to do. Men can also use it, of course, it's showing here, but you can put your favorite fruit or whatever in it, let it infuse overnight, and you're ready to grab and go for the next morning. So guys, I hope this has been a helpful video. I hope you all have a happy and wonderful Valentine's Day. Always remember, you don't have to have a special person in your life to reward yourself. So you can love on yourself and grab one of these items. I will post all the links in the description box. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.